and welcome to my first unboxing of 2021. Very excited. Today I have Treasure's first album, Treasure Effect, and oh boy, this album has caused something. So because this album has 3 versions and a keynote, I've decided to downsize to just 1 member instead of 3 members for Treasure, and the member I have decided is Hyunsuk, and let's get started. I was only able to get 2 sets of pre-order cards, even though there are 3 albums. The keynote did not come with pre-order cards, but in order for shipping purposes, I was only able to get 2 out of the 3. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Okay. I can't. I have to keep this. Oh my god. This Haruto pre-order card. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and the other one I got Mashi. Okay. So, Haruto I'm keeping, and then Mashi I will trade for Hyunsuk. But, ooh, oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god. That's adorable. Okay, back to the albums. Okay, let's start off with orange version. Huh. I'm dumb. Is it a slipcover or not? Okay, it is. It's just super tight. Wow. I really hope I'm not breaking anything. Wow. That's gonna be a pain to get back on. Okay. So open it up. Here's the CD. Nice. Okay. Let's move the inclusions to the side and get to the photo book. Oh, what a cutie. Oh, I'm so sad I'm not collecting you this time. But in order to preserve my sanity, I think I could not do 3 members, and collecting Junkyu was just so difficult that it just caused me so much stress, and it really saddens me to not collect him this time around. Is that an egg or a potato? god. Okay. Now on to the inclusions. Okay, I got Yedam for the file folder. June for the baby picture. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. I'm actually like glad how they like put it all in the folder this time, so it's not like hopefully not creased up like crazy. Okay, and here is the sticker. Also, it lets me not lose everything like I did previous times. Scratch card. Got Jungwoo for the first press. Yoshi and what? When I'm not collecting him, I pull him. Oh no. Okay. Okay. And the unit Polaroid, which I got Haruto, Yedam, and Jihoon. Screaming. Okay, and then postcard, Jihoon. And then these are the lyric cards. Oh my god, they're so cute. Right? Yes. Oh. Adorable. I saw someone selling these cards for like $5 each, but like they come with the album. I don't understand. Adorable. Oh my god. I kind of want to put these in the binders because they're so cute. Okay. And this is the poster that you can put the photo cards on. Right? Yes. Oh, yes. Place your first edition only photo cards here, and then it becomes an AR kind of matte. Ooh, okay. It gives you kind of incentive to collect all of them. Lovely. More incentives. Okay, now on to blue version. Okay, that was way easier to take off. CD, same thing, but in blue. Set this aside. And photo book time. now on to the inclusions. 3, 2, 1. Yoshi, okay. For the baby, I got, oh, which one is this? I don't remember. Yeah, Dom, okay. Cutie. Okay, I'm not gonna force that. The postcard, I have Asahi. Here's a sticker. Scratch. Are you kidding? Maybe, you know, why are you trying to tell me something that I should do Junkyu instead of Hyunso? Oh boy. Well, okay. I'm just gonna move on before I hyperventilate. Okay, yes, YG's definitely trying to tell me something right now. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. Okay, anyways. Jihoon. And Junkyu. Yes, okay, lovely. And then the same unit Polaroid. And the same first press mat. Okay. Are these the same as well? Yes, they are. Okay, I need time to process this. Moving on to the next version. And now green version. This shade of green is actually so pretty. I'm very excited. So handsome. Sparkler is so cute. Okay, and on to the inclusions. 3, 2, 1. Another Yadam, okay. And Jihoon again, the baby photo in 3, 2, 1. Jungwon, cute. Okay. Oh. Sticker. I'm gonna do this for now so I don't have a heart attack. Scratch card. Polaroid. And I have the Junkyu one. Okay, well, I was planning on collecting the 3 Polaroids anyways that include Junkyu, Haruto, and Hyunsuk. So I have all but one now. 3, 2, 1. Haruto and Jihoon. And 3, 2, 1. Haruto. Okay, so I'm still gonna collect first press for the 3 original OG members, but now my heart has to decide what to do for the rest. I still have the Kino to look at, and maybe that will be my deciding factor. We will see. And this is the same AR mat. Okay, next is the Kino that comes with a keychain. So this is going to be quite interesting. Okay. It also comes with a random art that's on the kit album. It's on the Kino itself. So let's take a look. And we got June. Oh my god, this guy is so cute. But oh, this is going to be such a pain to trade. Ugh. And you have these cute little cards. And let's see what unit is on the Kino itself. And it's the Junkyu unit. Oh, of course. I don't think I'm going to try to like trade this. It's going to be such a pain. But yay, cute, excited. But definitely going to try to trade a keychain. I think we'll see how I feel. Oh my god. So that is it for today's unboxing. I only got one of each album this time around instead of like 5 of each version because with these 4 versions in a way, no way could I manage to do that many. So definitely I have a lot to think about when it comes to which member I want to collect for this album, and I'm gonna go freak out about that. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.